Okay, for the least squares regression line, y hat equals negative 3.768 plus 1.104x. Give the physical interpretation of the y-intercept, negative 3.768, and the slope, 1.104. The y-intercept is where the graph crosses the y-axis. So here you can see it down here. Here's where the graph crosses the y-axis. The least squares regression line crosses the y-axis at y equals negative 3.768, so just down here. This means that if x were 0, in other words, if the person had height 0 inches, we'd predict that the person would have an arm span of negative 3.768 inches, which, to be honest with you, doesn't make a lot of sense in the context of this particular problem. The slope is the change in y over the change in x. The least squares regression line has slope 1.104. This means that if the height x increases by 1 inch, we'd predict that the arm span y would increase by 1.104 inches.